Hi, hello, welcome to my silly little crafty adventure. This week is hopefully the last week that I am on little hand rest. So my idea for this week, I'm suddenly motivated. I am gonna do a little, what would I call it? Styling my handmade pieces. Am I much of a fashion person? Like, am I like good at styling? No. So maybe this will be more like a little try on. Like, here's what I made. But I hope you like it regardless. There'll be a lot of sweaters. I'll try and pull some accessories. And honestly, that's the video. That's what I got. I think it'll be really cute. I love watching other videos like this and seeing what other people have made, and people a lot better at like fashion than me actually styling those pieces in like interesting ways. But you know what? We'll just see how I do. I won't be too hard on myself. That's all. Thank you. Catch you in a minute. Outfit number one is for this piece that honestly, I don't wear that much. It's a little purple moment. I think I wore this outfit in like some old reels on my Instagram, HandmadebyHannahEm, by the way. And I think that's because like I don't always know like how to style little like cardigans, but I think this is cute. This is like one of my earlier crochet pieces, and by earlier I don't mean when I was 10, I just mean like maybe like last year. That's not true. It was sometime in high school because I was at my parents' house when I made it. So anyways, here's the little fit. I would maybe have like, I have like a purple scrunchie that's like this color. Maybe I do a little like half up, half down moment. For shoes, I don't have any on right now, but I'm a Crocs girl and I need you to just let me be a Crocs girl. So maybe I'd wear my little like white Crocs. I think that'd be cute. Or I have some little sneakers with some of this color in it too, although they have a lot of colors, so maybe that'd be too much. But yeah, that's this fit. It's a little purple moment. Feel a little crazy because like the purples don't necessarily match, but like I love a good monochrome outfit, so I'm really feeling good, and isn't that what matters? Love. Next, for our next look, I was gonna go more for like falls and winters and like doing my sweaters, but then I was like, I was gonna try this on because I love this little shell top, and because I have the matching little hat, not the matching hat, just a hat that I made to be matching. She's cute, she's fun, little daisy bucket hat. So I was gonna try this on, and usually I'll just wear it with like jeans and either a short sleeve or long sleeve like white top underneath, depending on whether it's cold or warm. But then I remembered I have this little white dress with the little sleeves, and I was like, wait, would that be cute? And like, it is cute. Only problem is white dress also has a bow, so then I have like a double bow situation going on. So I just am gonna like, I want you to just pretend like I don't have a double bow situation going on, because this is such a cute little look, and I need to, somebody remind me, okay? Somebody remind me when it gets warm again someday to wear this on like a little picnic date or something. That's all. So I have this little like white top that I made. I think the scallops and the little bows make it like really cute, and I was going for a layering moment to like maybe be able to wear it like into the fall and winter. I don't know if this is the moment, okay? Look, I told you, I'm not super fashion smart. I try my darndest, and most of the time I just wear what makes me feel good. Maybe I need like dark wash jeans. Hold on. Be honest, better, worse? I'm at a loss. This just might not be the vibe. I added a little bow to maybe carry the bows and like add a little contrast color because it's a little too similar. Honestly, I don't think I like it. Would I wear it out? Yeah. Would I be confident in it? Honestly, probably yeah. It doesn't take much for me to like feel good with like a handmade outfit, and like, I don't know. I just kind of like wearing things that like maybe don't necessarily go together or whatever. But let's just say it's not my fave and it's not my go-to, and I have way too many outfits that I like way more. So will I be wearing this out? No. But I'm gonna leave this in the video because I'm just gonna be transparent. I'm gonna be so genuine about my lack of skills for this. And I'm lacking. So next outfit, please, before I die. This, I could maybe get behind a little more. I'm trying to become that girl that knows how to like pair sweaters with dresses and like make it look so cute. I'm not that girl right now, but I'm striving for it. And I think this pairing is kind of cute, kind of fall. I don't know whether I do that or like, no, I don't think I like that. Maybe, probably like to close best. This was the sweater that I made in my first YouTube video. So you can go watch that if you'd like. I hope you'd like. But yeah, this is pretty cute. This is a nice little like, I'm really loving the dress and sweater thing. See, I wish I was just skilled. I guess I just need to like practice putting together outfits more. Anyways, here's the look. On to the next. No, wait, because this is like, okay, just for the record, I know I say this about all of my sweaters, but this may actually be like my favorite sweater I've ever made. It goes like all the way around. I have a little dress that like matches that color. Okay, kind of so fun. If you can believe it, my favorite sweater, never worn it out. Never had the right occasion. Maybe my fiance needs to take me to like a cat cafe. Oh, I died. I've always wanted to go to one. Hold on. Let's check with the love of my life herself. What do you think of my cat sweater? What do you think? Total approval, love. Oh my gosh. So anyways, that's the look. Really love it. It's kind of given me a way to wear it out, like on a little date or something. So that's exciting. Next. Okay. Whoa. Anyways, now that I have balance, here's the second look with the little dress. Like I was going to put away the sweaters that all fell down onto the floor, and I kind of like this better than the cat sweater with the dress. I think it has to do with like my body proportions feel like more respected by this outfit. I did feel a little like wonky in the last one, but it was so cute I didn't even care. But this sweater is actually a knitted patchwork sweater. It's like kind of the first knitting project I did, especially knitted clothing, goodness gracious. And literally all I did was knit all of these squares and then sew them all together. It was so stressful. I like literally hated it by the end because I ran out of this color and I needed this color to sew, and it was just so like labor intensive, and I wish I had built up a little more love of knitting before I did this project because I did not like it. But now it's cute and I love it, and I think the patchwork and the colors are really cute. If you can't tell what kind of color palette my clothing is, I use all the same yarn for everything, so that'll clue you in. So yeah, I think this is cute, and I do like it with the dress better than I like the cat sweater with the dress. Not because of the cat sweater, just because of like the way it fits me. Time to show off my basic white sweater. I've been wanting like just a nice little cutesy, like classic looking kind of cardigan for a while. And I was like, why am I not making this myself? So here's just my little, this is a little more springy too, because like it's just fine like cotton yarn, so it's not super good for fall and winter. Sorry I'm going soft off the theme, but I think it's really cute, and of course you can't go wrong with like a little red like sundress and white sweater moment. So basic outfits, basic sweater, still cute, classic even. Okay, this to me is like the essential like Valentine's Day look. I think I wore this sweater on my birthday last year. I think I made it like around last Christmas. I just did a bunch of heart granny squares for the whole thing, and just, you know, a simple little pinky dress. I had thought about making it like button, but I feel like that'd be like too much going on. Like it's kind of better as just like a little open thing, in my humble opinion. But yeah, this is one of my fave sweaters. Oh, I need to stop saying that because I sound so fake. I really like this sweater, and it's a unique one in my sweater collection. I don't really have another sweater like this. I have a lot of sweaters with hearts on them, as you may see in this video or in a future video, but I don't have any like this, like little granny squares. Or I feel like I was very going out of my comfort zone with the red. So yeah, love. Look, I'm sorry it's basic. It's no sweater dress combo. It's no layering. It's just simple and beautiful to me, because this sweater has like a lot of texture on it. I don't know if the camera focused from far, but it's basically made of a bunch of different textured like squares. So I feel like it pairs well with a simple outfit because she is a main character. She is a star. Would I wear it open, or like maybe I would just do this? I don't know. I have worn this one out before. I think I just wore it open though. But like if you just wanted to have it, this be the top, like that is so cute. I forget how much I love this sweater every time until I put it on, and I really should wear it more often, because a lot of times I get in like a very weird mindset where I'm like, it has to be the perfect occasion for X, and X is something I really like. Like, no, if I'm going to cook my favorite dinner, it has to be on a night where my homework's done, I don't have class early the next day, I can go to bed early, I had time to shower and be in my pajamas already and make dinner in my jammies. Like it's like I save things I like for special occasions, like this sweater. Like, oh, it needs to be a day where I'm like going out, it needs to be a date day, but like more than just going out for a meal, so I could show it off more. But it's like, there is no scarcity. Why do I have a scarcity mindset if I have a limited number of quantity or quality of wares? I don't know. That's my complex. Thanks for listening, but here's my cutie little sweater. And sorry, I'm gonna say it again, she's my favorite. Love. Anyways, that is all the outfits I can summon the creative energy for. I'm going to get back into my leggings and oversized sweater that I did not make, so it feels more like pajamas to me. And I am going to go edit this video. I'm gonna make myself do that, get some food, I'm quite hungry, and then play some Stardew Valley. That's what my heart is calling for, and I will listen, you know? Also, as part of this conclusion, If you at any point have seen these marks on my body in this video, please do not fear. I did not realize they were still there. I was in the scanning lab yesterday, and those are electrodes, and I guess I'm allergic to the adhesive. Although I did forget to take them off until I got home from class, so maybe I just left them on too long. Anyways, so sorry I've been wounded in this video, but I hope you thought the outfits were cute. Maybe you saw a sweater and it inspired you to like go find a pattern, something similar. I find wearing things that I've made gives me a lot of confidence and feels very self-expressive. And so I hope you're able to find that joy too. And I definitely will have to make another one of these videos once I summon the energy for it again. It's a little like mentally tiring to like go back and forth all the time and switch outfits. So maybe a little later, because I definitely have enough crochet clothes for at least one, if not two more of these, like currently right now, without making anything else. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go have my little afternoon with Stardew Valley, and yeah, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you had a favorite one of my outfits or sweaters, why don't you leave it in the comments? I'll have to wear that sweater more. Thanks for watching.